What is ISR and how does it ensure military preparedness? Imagine having a secret weapon that keeps your forces one step ahead of any threat. That's what intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, or ISR, does for the military. It's like having eyes and ears everywhere, gathering vital information to keep everyone safe. ISR is a key part of military operations, helping commanders make smart decisions quickly. It involves collecting data from many sources, then turning it into useful information. This can include human intelligence from spies, signals intelligence from intercepted communications, or imagery from satellites and drones. Surveillance is about watching an area or activity over time, spotting changes, and catching signs of trouble early. Reconnaissance is more focused, gathering specific details about a target or area to verify what's known. These efforts work together to give a clear picture of the battlefield or any situation. How does this help keep the military ready? First, ISR provides real-time updates, so commanders know what's happening right now. This awareness allows them to respond faster and more accurately. It also detects threats early, giving forces time to prepare or avoid danger. ISR data helps plan operations with precision, reducing mistakes and increasing chances of success. Reconnaissance missions confirm intelligence, making sure decisions are based on reliable facts. In practice, ISR supports first readiness by ensuring troops have the latest information, so they're prepared for any situation. It also helps maintain a global presence by monitoring regions around the world, even from afar. This ongoing surveillance keeps military forces aware of potential threats and ready to act if needed. By providing detailed, timely information, ISR makes sure that military operations are effective and that forces stay prepared for whatever comes next. It's like having a constant, high-tech watchtower that never sleeps, always ready to alert and inform. This way, the military can stay ahead of enemies, protect interests worldwide, and respond swiftly to emerging challenges. Without ISR, military forces would be flying blind, making it impossible to maintain the level of readiness needed for today's complex world.